Hey guys, I'm Vivekk Mantri, an electronics engineer turned to an emotional wellness coach. I have been also awarded as India's best emotional wellness coach last year by Newspaper Association of India. I'm also a certified NLP trainer by American Union of NLP, and I work on emotional wellness. Emotional wellness is a key factor for each and every person who really wants to live a healthy life because emotions create motions. 85% of the diseases which happen to everyone it. And when we say psychosomatic, psycho means mind and soma means body. So whatever diseases are happening to normal human being, to every human being on the earth, 85% of them, as I said, as the science has said, are psychosomatic. So friends, if you are able to create a difference in someone's life, if you are able to create, if you are able to help them with the techniques which can make their lives better, which can make your relatives, your friends, your whoever it is, if you are able to add value in lives of people, if you are able to bring the smiles in lives of people, don't you think that you will be able to make a massive difference? I am sure you would love to learn the techniques. I am sure you would love to see the smile on your near and dear ones who are suffering from diabetes, blood pressure, or any psychosomatic disease. People who frequently see skin rashes, psoriasis, or any joint pains, whatever it is. Most of the diseases are psychosomatic. In the upcoming workshop, I will be teaching you to help you understand what is psychosomatic issue, how exactly it starts, how to handle those emotions, how to handle those negative emotions, how to handle the criticism, how to handle your anger, how to handle your failure, how exactly can you make a difference in someone's life just by teaching them the techniques along with their medicines to help them to come out of the particular phase at easiest way, help them to handle their trauma, help them to come out of the trauma, all the traumatic memories which they actually carry on for the years and create a mess in their life. In this workshop, you will be learning the techniques live. Yes, guys, this is a workshop which is happening on the below dates. It is completely at a suitable timing, and it will be also a certified workshop where you can start using these techniques from day one to help others to make lives better for the people around you. Let us join together and create a medicine free nation. Let us help people to stay medicine free, stay happy, and let their emotional wellness be perfect. So, guys, stay tuned. Below is the link. Below is my number 855 109 9009. Stay tuned for the upcoming workshop. Thank you.